Hello, everyone. My name is Pedro. I'm a Brazilian guy, and I'm living in Turkey right now. As you can see here, I'm trying to day trade. I trade on smart money concepts, strategy. I will actually leave down below in the description kind of what's my strategy if you guys are interested. I'm trying to record the first video of the channel, and this is because lately I have been struggling a lot on not overtraining or not trying to be greedy or accepting my rules and not try and like not break them. And I think that a lot of people go through that and not so many people show it. And I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. Um, and yeah, I have been a shit trader lately. That's the truth. Like I am a god on demo. I made 8% on the last month on demo. And I was respecting my rules and shit after I blew my first funded, which was a 10k funded on FTMO. Now I'm on a 5k funded on the Fivers. But yeah, I passed the first challenge on this one, and I'm on the verification phase now, and I'm absolutely fucking it up. I think I have done 50 trades in like 4 days or something, which is fucked up. But I mean, not most of the trades count properly. It's like 25 trades, but 25 trades in 5 days, like fuck that shit. But yeah, that's the truth of the story, and I'm here to show it to you guys and try to get better while I do more and more videos for the channel. I hope you guys can hear me well. I have like a microphone in here, but I don't know if you guys can hear me properly. Right now it's 4:06, and for me it's 4:30 New York opens. I trade London and New York, so in 24 minutes I think I'm gonna come back here, tell you guys if I found any trade or not. I am going to respect my rules. I have a Bitcoin trade open right now. I took it a while ago. I shouldn't have done it. Okay, I shouldn't have done it. I know that, but I have a rule and I don't fuck with my stop loss or my TPs. It hits what it hits. I'm not proud even if I win it. I trade on my iPad, by the way. I'm at the trader. But yeah, I'm gonna come back when New York opens. Cheers. So guys, I'm actually back because I wanted to speak about one thing with you guys. I trade these three pairs, which is GU, so GBP USD, SHAO USD, which is gold, and GBP JPY. Okay, famous GJ for those who know. Yeah. So here, right, first thing I do when I enter on TradingView, it's I will mark 1 hour and 4 hour highs or 1 hour and 4 hour imbalances. So for example, in gold, we actually just swept this high on the 1 hour time frame. And I marked, for example, these lows and those highs. And I'm gonna probably look for a reversal. So I'm gonna look for sells on gold. If it keeps pushing higher and also sweeps those, that will be a good entrance. Because usually 4 hour imbalances. No, sorry, 4 hour highs are like more trustable than 1 hour, but still both are good. And yeah, so I basically did that on all of my pairs. So I marked in the 1 hour and the 4 hours highs and imbalances or something. For example, in GJ, right, we only have this high and that low that is close to hit. However, look at this. Look how big this 1 hour fair value gap in here for sells it's placing. We touched into it and now we see a lot of sell power out of it, so that could be a problem. I might look for buys if this sweeps that, probably close to market open, but it will be like my TP will for sure be here and I will only have one TP. Usually I have 1, 2, or 3 TPs depending. I remove 50% of my position, then 25, well, the 25 that was left from the 100 initial, and then I take the last 25 on the third TP. I usually don't have more than 3 TPs because it's just not my style. Okay, so yeah, that's the first thing I do. Previous market opening, and yeah, and then I'll probably see what is swept, what liquidity happens in here, so I can look for buys or sells on one of these three pairs. I usually don't enter. I mean, personally, I don't like to enter on two trades at the same time. So even if I have two pairs with really good entrances, I'll only pick one of them, the one that I like the most. But as I told you guys before, I still have that Bitcoin trade on, and I will just tell you how it's going. Right now, I'm on a $28 loss. Um, I personally won't show actually why I took the trade on Bitcoin because I don't want to put crypto on this channel. I'm just gonna show my Forex trading and other stuff because crypto requires a different strategy and I don't want to mess with it. So this channel will probably, I mean, I can post some crypto videos if you guys want, but it's definitely not my specialty. Like, I'm still a beginner with it. I know more about Forex trading, even though I'm a beginner in this and that. I know more about Forex trading strategy, at least for trading, than crypto. But yeah, that's it. I'm speaking too much. I'm so sorry. It's just the first video. I don't really know how the pace will go. But you guys can tell me in the comments if you like this or if you prefer I'm more quiet and more chill. I didn't even took caffeine right now, so it could get worse. But yeah. So right now, for example, I was looking at Forex Factory, which is key if you're doing day trade, especially New York session. London, not too much, but still really good to check out every time. Like in 3 minutes, we have retail sales going and core sales going out, monthly. And this is going to mess up a little bit with the market, especially probably gold and GU. GJ sometimes gets affected, but it's usually with like CPI or something. So I think that I'm going to wait maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes and I'll check out how volatile and how shit the fucking market is. Because lately, I don't know if you guys know, but after Trump got elected and stuff, the markets have been fucking dog shit. Like the markets have been really bad. Like at least for what I trade, okay, which is like I don't know. I have gotten some good setups, but most of them, nah. Most of them are not working well. That's also what made me lose my mind. But that's just an excuse. But yeah, I will come back when this is probably out and I'm checking out the market. Alright, so right now, for example, the news just came out and you can see a big fat black candle going down in here. We're gonna sweep probably all the hourly liquidity there, all this tree, maybe that one, I don't know. Gold also we swept this hourly liquidity, and then GJ we didn't really have any move, so we're in between the top and the bottom. We'll need to wait for it to sweep that or sweep that, one of them. I would prefer to go for sells here, so hopefully it goes up and sweeps this, but the market does whatever the fuck it wants. Yep, as I said, we swept all those three. Maybe we'll sweep that one as well. In gold, okay, gold we probably not sweep that one. That's too low, too low. But yeah, now I'll look for some trades. So guys, coming back, well, the markets, as I expected, really bad, at least for my strategy. For gold, I'm looking here at the 15 minutes, because I have a 4-hour bearish, even though it doesn't look like it's bearish. I mean, it does look like, I don't know what I'm saying, but it looks confusing. That's what I mean. And here we are also bearish. So I'm looking at the 5 minutes for GU. For gold, I'm looking at the 15, but it's been horrible, okay? Because as you guys can see here, we are bearish. We broke the structure. I mean, we didn't broke structure. We were like going down already, and we still kept going down in here. So we're bearish in here and we're bullish in here. As you can see, the last this high here was higher than the last high. So meaning I am trading on the 50 minutes on this one, at least on this one. Okay, for GJ, which is the only one that is interesting me, at least from now, we are bearish in here and we are bearish in here. Okay, so I'm looking for the 5 minutes here and I'm looking for buys. Okay, because we swapped a decent liquidity. We swapped all the liquidity that was around here on top. So I think it might end up in a good trade, even though it's against the trend. If I wait, You know, if I wait like all the time to get only trades that are like with the trend and they're on my strategy, I believe that I'm gonna waste too many opportunities, you know, and I'm gonna take only a few trades, especially these days because the markets are really bad, at least for me. So I'm still trading against the trend, but everything, like all the rest, needs to be perfect, you know. The only bad thing would be trading against the trend, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's normal. But I do pretend, if one day, you know, I have the opportunity of being a profitable trader and having a couple bags on my account, I do pretend I'm only taking trades with the trend because it's safer, you know. And if I'm risking like a lot of money, or if I'm already like, let's say, economically well, you know, or financially well, I wouldn't be risking on like these trades, you know. Now I'm trying to learn how to trade. I'm trying to get like the more experience, you know. So I don't need to be so perfectly picky on them. And it's just a 5K account, you know. I'm not trying a 200K or something. I spent $40 on it. But you know, you still gotta take it seriously. So from now on, making a promise in here, I'm gonna show here my funded account actually. You guys will be able to see. Look at that. I am so the Bitcoin trade did close. I lost. Good. You know, that's how you fucking learn. You learn on the bad ways. I have still 150 left for the day. I need to be careful on that. But I'm almost I'm basically on a 3.5% drawdown, okay? And now you guys will see what I'm talking about. 50 trades. And I started on the 11th. No, the 10th. Oh, okay, sorry. I started on the 10th. My bad. Yeah, crazy, right? I mean, I probably took like 25 of them because, you know, if you guys see here, for example, like this is one trade, this is one trade, this is one trade. You know what I mean? If you separate the take profits or something, it counts as 2 trades, for example. Sometimes counts even at 3 trades if you have 3 take profits. But yeah, it's definitely not good. You know, taking 5, 6 trades a day, it's really bad. For me, like I have the limits of 2 trades a day. You know, maybe one in London, one in New York. I don't try to trade 2 on the same session. But yeah, this is how it's looking. This is the verification, by the way. So I only need 5%, but right now I need, you know, 8.5% because I'm on a 3.5% drawdown from the initial one, which is 5K. But closing this, we are looking, you know, I know that the video is being kind of long. I mean, today I had to explain a bunch of stuff, but I don't plan to make the other videos this long. Or if you guys want, I can start recording it on my phone, because, you know, maybe it's better for like a vlog or something. Or if you guys have any other ideas of video, you can tell me down below. But yeah, markets are definitely not looking beautiful. As I told you guys, lately they haven't been beautiful. You know, it would be nice, for example, if we have a break obstruction in here on the 5 minutes. So then we create like a fair value gap, or we create something off the gender. Okay. Hopefully, yeah. On GJ, we now swept one more low. Okay. Is this a 4-hour low or a 1-hour low? Let me check out. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's an hourly low. Okay, so we swept an hourly low of a couple days ago, I believe. Yeah, November 1st. Yeah, November 1st. Let's see if we have a good reaction. And I'm gonna enter probably on 5 minutes, you know, since we have both bearish against the trend. Again, saying that, but I mean, gold, I think I'm definitely staying out of gold. Like, if you check this shit out and you think this is a good price action, fuck knows what the fuck you trade with. But this is fucking shit. Like, this is a trap. You know what I mean? This is a fucking trap. I'm not fucking around in here. The volatility is fucking nuts. And this just doesn't give any decent breakup structures or anything. So, mainly GU and GJ. I'll come back if I have anything. If I don't, I'm just gonna come back to close the video. Alright, peace. So I'm back, guys, and I'm back with some badass news. I mean, this market makes me want to throw up. This market makes me want to throw up. Look how gold is looking like. You basically, when you have a breakup structure, this shit is already next to your fucking TP. When you have a breakup structure, the thing is next to your TP. It's horrible. What can I say? I can't say anything less than that. It's so bad. It's so horrifying. And in GU, I mean, GU is the only one that is giving me some hope in here. We have a black candle here. If we might break structure in the next 1 minute if we close above that, and then I'm gonna look for a probably a fair value gap or equilibrium or something, and I'm gonna, if I enter or something, I'm gonna tell you guys. But it's being so bad, like 1 hour after market open, and it's just shit. It's just really shit. But yeah, that's how it has been lately, to be honest with you guys. It's been like that, you know. But yeah, I'll come back in a second if I see something. So, guys, finally something came up. Finally something is going. Seems that is going on the right way. This thing just shot the bed. It just went down again. It just swept that low. It's looking like it's just gonna be bearish. At least in here now we had some buy power out of it. I hope this fair value gap here doesn't fuck the thing up. But hopefully this closes blue. We have a black candle, touches fair value gap, maybe touches equilibrium too if this wants to be nice. And we have the TP there. And the stop loss probably, yep, probably there. So most likely here. Let's see. So guys, finally, I think it's time. I think probably I'm gonna enter in a trade soon, since GJ almost dipped into the fair value gap. I don't know if I'm gonna enter off the first fair value gap. I'm still thinking. I need to see how much power I'm gonna see out of the bitch. But hopefully it'll be a good amount. I'm gonna enter with a 0.2 lot size. So risk about 1%, 1.2% maybe. Depends on where can I get my entry. I would say a good entry would be like somewhere around there, if I could. TP there, SL there. Here that's the line of liquidity that we swept. Hopefully really soon we can get some nice trade. It's really late. I mean, not really late, but for me it's late. So it's like 1 hour and 30 minutes almost after market open. Okay, I like to take trades around this time maximum. But the markets are only giving us at this time, GJ just shut the bed. Gold is disgusting. So only good one that I see here is GJ with the 1.4 RR. Volatility is not high though, so it might take really long for this trade actually, now that I think about it. So I might enter with a bigger lot size. Let me just see, is there any fair value gap? Yeah, there might be a fair value gap right there. Dang it. I don't know if I want to enter in the trade anymore. I would be trading against the trend with a potential fair value gap there. Yeah, that won't be fun, that will definitely not be fun. But I think I'm gonna enter regardless. I'm not gonna be scared of it or anything. I'm just mark actually the fair value gap. Wait. Let me try to mark it here until there-ish. Well, here's the fair value gap. Let's see if we get an entrance. I need to see bull power out of it, by the way. Like right now we're touching the fair value gap, but I want to see some bull power out of it so I can enter in the trade really nice and sweet. Otherwise, it's too risky. Maybe it will just crash down and you got fucked because you clicked buys. So hopefully we go into equilibrium. That would be really nice. Some price discounted. I think that we might touch the second fair value gap. I believe so. It's looking promising. I don't know if you guys do you guys prefer to see like live trades like this, like me observing the market with you guys, or you guys prefer to me to cut the video out and just come back once I have started the trade? Okay, we just dipped into the second fair value gap, as I told you guys. I believe they would. Let's see if it can go until equilibrium without too much bull power out of it. But as I told you, I think until here is a good entry for me. It would be interesting to get it maybe a bit better, but I don't know about that. I don't mind on not getting it that good. Let's see. Look, right now I could move to the 1 minute. I know people that move to the 1 minute to see some bull power out of it, but I prefer to stay into my 5 minutes. Okay, that's just personal choice, but there's nothing wrong with looking at the 1 minute. My friend texted me, sorry. Look, we are rejecting both fair value gaps in this case. We just digged into them and we are not seeing any bull power out of it. So most likely either will be a nice trade because the spot that I go in will be good, or it will just keep going down and down and down. And unfortunately today's video will have no trade. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully it does show me some blue candle and we see some up movements besides down movement. The only thing that I'm worrying about is this trade might take a long time and the price might get really choppy. But once I put my stop loss and my take profit, I am not touching it until it touches, so I don't really care about the time. We see some bull power out of it right now. We dipped into almost all the fair value gap. Let's just see now if we start seeing more bull power out of it so I can click buys. The price still good now. Let me just try to, oh shit. Let me just try to adjust maybe like around here-ish. That would make a 2.2. 2.2 would be crazy, I'm not gonna lie. 2.2 would be crazy if I can get that. But let's see. A lot of sell power out of it. A lot of sell power out of it. Look, right now I don't need to force this trade in. Okay, I'm 3.5% down. I could just avoid this trade, but I would only take it because the markets doesn't give shit. It doesn't give shit for the last week. So I am basically in a desperate need to take a trade, but not for myself. I just want to see my strategy working on this fucking market. You know what I mean? Right now I could go in. I probably will go in. Most likely. Just wait a little bit more. One more push maybe. I'll wait. I have my fingers on the buying thing. I'm just waiting for one more maybe push. Nope. Not yet. Let's see how the 1 minute is looking. Okay, 1 minute is looking like that. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna look at the 1 minute. Fuck it. Fuck it. I said that I wouldn't look, but fuck it. I'm gonna look at the 1 minute. Oh my god. Dude, guys, this market is being so annoying. You guys won't even believe me. It's being really, really bad. I don't know if you guys are also a Forex trader. And the video has 25 minutes. Jesus Christ. I don't think nobody's gonna watch this thing. But I plan to make the other videos shorter. Because this shit is too bad. This shit is too bad. That's a doji. Fuck me. I hate dojis. They kind of confuse the shit out of me. I just want to see more bull power out of him, man. Like, maybe if I want to be really responsible, really extra responsible, I could wait for a 1 minute break of structure to the upside. You know, if I want to be really responsible. If not, I could have entered here. You know, because this is a lot of bull power. Okay, don't get me wrong. I'm just playing really safe. But yeah, hopefully maybe this candle closes black so we can have a break of structure on the 1 minute, and then I will for certain go in. You know, 100% sure I will go in on that case. Yeah, there's some strong pulls up, but there's also some strong pulls down. Hopefully now we can go up. I don't mind on getting a late entry, okay? I'm just trying to play it really safe. I'm not trying to joke anymore on the account. No, I don't want to make you guys disappointed. I said that I was going to take the shit seriously, so this is how I usually took the shit seriously. Okay? I know it's slow, it's 26 minutes of recording, but it is what it is, you know. This thing could just shit the bed right now, and it could end up in a no trade. And if I did took the trade, it could have ended up in a loss. And we are trying to not take any more losses because we are, fuck off, we are 3.5% down. That's a lot. Not a lot to get desperate on, but still a lot. You know, look, we just shit the bed. You know, we're shitting the bed right now. We just swept kind of that low. We swept that low, so maybe we stopped out the 1 minute traders. And yeah, we're shitting the bed. We're shitting the bed. We're just going down. We're digging down. Let's see. The only thing that is worrying me here is that we have a really nice inverse fair value gap in here. Okay, from that candle to that candle, that's a really sweet inverse fair value gap. But yeah, guys, I think that I won't take this trade. It's 6 o'clock, 1 hour and 30 minutes after market open. Doesn't look like it wants to give us what we want. We'll still have the order block. Excuse me, wait. We'll still have the order block like right here. You know, so maybe it touched the body of the order block. Maybe now it will react, but I think it's just shitting the bed. You see, that's why it's really important for you guys to play safe, okay? When the markets are in a shit condition like this is, a lot of people, a lot of traders with my strategy, you know, with smart money concepts would have entered right here when you had the little bit of buy power out of it, okay? But I'm trying to really be cautious. And even if this works out, okay, I would have gotten a way better price than they got up there. Okay, so it's always important to stop, think about it. You know, sometimes it doesn't end up well. Well, dude, hopefully we see some bull power out of it right now. Otherwise, I think I'm off. I think I'm gonna be out. You know, I think that the markets lately, they are talking in my ear to switch to fucking Nasdaq. You know, Nasdaq. I mean, it's just shitting the bed. But you know, let me see S&P 500. Just really shitting the bed. You know, really shitting the bed. But yeah, I guess so. Let's see if we had any good trades in here. Okay, we swapped the hourly high. We crashed. Let me see if there was any good trade. Wait. Yeah, we're probably bearish here. Bearish. Oh no, we were bullish there. Okay, so that was probably 15 minutes trade. let's see. Break of structure here, fair value gap here. We didn't touch the fair value gap. We didn't have a fair value gap. We didn't have a fair value gap. We had a fair value gap right here. Maybe right now, maybe right now it would be a good entrance. But there's probably some hourly lows here. So probably not a good entry here anyway. Or maybe on the 1 minute, like TJR does, he probably found something. Okay, this didn't got touched. We had a 1 minute fair value gap here that we got touched. I don't think there was any good trades today. Oh, maybe this one. Yeah, I mean, this one is a good entrance spot. Yeah, that's a pretty good entrance spot, you know. That's really nice. That's really nice. There was also another one here, you know. So yeah, there was trades. Probably TJR took one of these trades. I'm gonna see on the trade recap. The bastard probably took one of those. And yeah, we shot the bed, guys. Well, that's it. I think now it's the end of the video. It's 31 minutes. So sorry for the first video to be this long, okay? But it's just a proof on how bad the markets have been. Like, look at this price action. Wait, sorry. Look at this price action. Look at this price. Oh, shit. Look at this price action. It's been horrible, you know. It's been really, really bad. But yeah, I hopefully I come back better Monday. I'm going to try to do a shorter video, you know. But today was the first video of the channel. Give me a discount on that. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you appreciate it, comment down below, give a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna come back responsible, okay? Peace.